Equipped with a wide variety of high-quality insulated tools with multiple drawers and compartments, the TTH-84 EV Tool Cart is a comprehensive and highly efficient solution designed specifically for electric vehicle maintenance. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, making it simple to navigate even in tight spaces. This tool cart is built with durability and practicality in mind. It features multiple drawers and compartments, allowing you to keep your tools organized and within easy reach. Each drawer is designed for specific types of tools, making it quick and easy to find exactly what you need, from pliers and screwdrivers to specialized EV tools. The insulated tools ensure maximum safety when handling electrical components and high-voltage electric vehicles. The variety ensures you're prepared for any task, enhancing efficiency and precision in your work. For more information about the TTH-84 EV Tool Cart, please visit our website or consult with your local dealer. Thanks for watching.